The first step is to remove the door panels. The same applies to both sides. Part 2. Wiring power off operation. This is a small terminal. Insert the two rows in the middle. The round one on the side is not. Insert the two rows in the middle. Just have a free place. This is the left. There are 3 wires on the left, because there is a switch wire. On the right, there are only 2. Are we going here too? Go to the red piece here. The long one. The short one is on the left. There are 2 wires. The long one is on the right. I'll pull it to the right in a while. I was wearing black just now. Black, are you right? If you wear it like this, you have to wear it right. He's on this side now. Plug it in like this. This side. These 3 holes. Okay. It's dark on the edges. These 3 wires must be the same as just now. The 3 wires we plugged in match. This yellow, this is white. Yeah, did he plug it in like this? Yeah, over here. Equivalent to these 3 on this side. These 3 here. These are the 2 wires on the right. Pull it up. Just pull hard. Then pass it through the empty space below. The 2 lines on the right and the lines on the left. The 3 threads are worn the same way. Are these plugs exactly the same? Then after we pack this. Look, there's a switch cable on the left. What about this thread? We stayed long enough. We went in along the lines of the original car. Here, come out. Brother, follow the original train line from below. This glass track. Can't affect it, glass lift. Otherwise, the line will be broken. Wait a minute, let's fix it. Now is the time to tell everyone. We have switch 9 holes on this one. It's this black plug. Plug in the switch. This one has numbers on it. 1 to 5, 6 to 10. You insert the 9th hole. Before plugging in, unlock it first. Lift this piece up. Well, this is 10 holes. We plug in the 9 holes next to it. Hey, lock it after installing it. This is our folding line. This is the motor cable coming out of the rearview mirror. This is the line we just walked. We plug this in at the end. And a switch. Bring it here and I'll change the switch. Is this the low-end switch of the original car? Without folding, this is a high-end one. What about then? Just pry it off. Ah, this is useless. But be careful when prying. One pack. What about this after we pack it? Let's try it first. When trying, plug it in. After we lock the door. Neither after we plug this plug in. The car is powered on. When we turn to the top one when folding. If this rear view mirror is folded. If it is not folded. Our two plugs are random. Just change a location. Just dial to any of the following locations. If it were unfolded. If you dial below, it's locked and folded. Then we need to replace it. Just swap the positions of these two motor cables. Look at this, on the right, we will not take videos. Same as the one on the left, the plugs are all the same. What about this OBD? We must be the last to plug in. After this is plugged in. Plug in the white plug below. Can you see it? Okay, white plug. Same as OBD plug. Then fix the wire and it's okay. You see, after we plug this OBD in, try its direction first. Step on the brakes first to power up the car. Press anywhere below. If it unfolds, if we are the opposite. I deliberately reversed it. Then teach everyone how to adjust. You see power up. After the car is powered on, press to this folded position. It should be folded. It's just the opposite. It doesn't matter if it is reversed. Don't move, unplug the OBD first. Be sure not to operate with electricity. Then find our fold line. Adjust the position. These two are too tight. We mix these two, it's the same anyway. Just adjust one side. There's a lock blade down there. Don't touch these two together. Although the power is off. No, don't touch. Okay, let's plug the UD in and try again. After the car is powered on. This is the unfolded state. This locks the car, it should be locked. Okay. Dial to any position below to expand. Dial above to lock the car, okay. That's it.